Welcome to Daily Dose of History. Let's jump and uncover the significance of events that unfolded on this very date.
The birth of United States Postal Service, a historic milestone.
The establishment of the United States Postal Service in 1775 was a crucial step in creating an effective communication network that would connect the newly formed states. Its importance lies in facilitating the timely and efficient exchange of information and helping to foster national unity and development.
New York, 11th state to ratify U.S. Constitution.
The ratification of the United States Constitution by New York in 1788 was a significant event as it demonstrated the growing support for a strong centralized government and paved the way for the establishment of the federal system in the United States. It also helped solidify the foundation for the new nation and its principles of democracy and individual rights.
The Surrey Iron Railway, revolutionizing transportation with the world's first public railway.
The opening of the Surrey Iron Railway in 1803 marked a significant milestone in transportation history, as it was the first public railway to be established. This event laid the foundation for the development of rail systems around the world, revolutionizing transportation and shaping the modern industrial era.
The Liberian Declaration of Independence, a historic moment of Liberia's independence from the American Colonization Society.
The Liberian Declaration of Independence in 1847 marked the official independence of Liberia from the American Colonization Society, establishing it as the first independent republic in Africa. This event is significant as it led to the establishment of a nation founded by freed African American slaves, providing a homeland and self-governance for Black people in the midst of the transatlantic slave trade.
The birth of the FBI, a historic milestone in American law enforcement.
The establishment of the FBI in 1908 was a crucial milestone in the development of law enforcement in the United States. It provided a centralized organization dedicated to investigating federal crimes and protecting the country's national security, playing a vital role in maintaining law and order. These are some of the most notable events that occurred today in history. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. There will be a new video every day.